What's up, folks? Adam here from Watson's Reviews. And if you're in the US and shopping for an air conditioner, the main things that most people consider are energy efficiency to keep those electricity bills down, noise level, especially for bedrooms, and ease of installation, and whether the unit supports both cooling and heating for year-round comfort. Today we're looking at a fantastic device. This is a Growthwing mini split. Now, this is one of the more powerful units available on Amazon. It's ultra quiet, and I tell you what, installation is a breeze. So we're going to give you all the product details, we're going to show you all about it, and we're going to run it through a series of tests, including volume, in terms of noise, and a whole lot more. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're going to kick it off with a video about this very impressive product and help you decide if it's the right unit for you. And I do want to point out that the packaging was well protected. All the necessary components were included, including the factory pre-charged line set. So folks, first and foremost, I want to show you the noise volume. I'm currently maybe 2 to 3 feet away from the unit. Now if I'm quiet for a second, we're dropping it down to 61 degrees so we can have it kind of at full speed, really kicking out some air conditioning. And we're going to do that test again in terms of how quiet it is. You can literally hardly hear it. Now another nice thing is we're getting a fan speed of about 7 miles an hour. Now, while that's still fairly quiet, a nice thing about that is that it's moving the air fast enough to where you don't necessarily need an external fan circulating through the room. This is giving you enough power to where you don't have to worry about it. This is a great unit with a powerful yet quiet fan. This model features a high SEER 2 20.0 efficiency rating and HSPF 210 heating efficiency. It uses R32 refrigerant, comes factory pre-charged, and delivers stable performance after professional installation. And friends, to do another test here, we're going to test the temperature of the air coming out. Looks like about 51 degrees coming out. Ooh, 48 there, so see, depending on where I point that at, 47.8 is the lowest we've got. It's about 48, 47 coming out of the unit, giving us a nice cold burst of air that's going to circulate through the room and maintain a pretty commonly cold temperature. The iFeel mode intelligently adjusts based on the remote's location, helping maintain more even and comfortable room temperature. All right, folks, now we're going to check the temperature before we use the device. So in the room right now, it is 85 degrees. Now let's give us an hour. We're going to do a second check and see how much it cools off the room overall. All right, 1 hour later, let's hit the exact same spot there. Let's see what we got. 71 degrees. So a significant cool off in our room just because we're able to run that air conditioning and it is able to cool the entire area. Not bad. Now it's probably time we show you a little bit about the installation. Now we had our assistant and handyman Mel go ahead and set this up, but he was able to do it himself. And one of the things that's really nice about this is it comes with all the pieces and parts you need to go ahead and set it up. And it was a fairly easy installation. It should only take maybe an hour or two, and you get all that benefit of a built-in unit. You're not sliding around a portable unit, it's not taking up room, and it looks pretty good. It's very nicely compact. You can put it just about anywhere and really cool off a pretty significant area. Now the remote control is really one of my favorite aspects. It keeps things ultra clean, ultra cool, and easy to use. You've got the power on and off, the up and down. You can change the mode. Turbo mode, you have the timer, which can save you energy, of course. You've got the fan, eco, mute. You can turn that swing on as well at a push of a button. And there's just so much you can do here. Sleep mode, the change the display, the feel, everything at a push of a button. And folks, I want you to see the swing mode up close. It's slowly but surely moving the air up and down to where different levels and columns of air are working. Now I'm standing right in front of it, so you may hear a little bit of the wind over my microphone, but in real life, this is ultra quiet. And for quick reference, it does swing up and down, left and right to go ahead and cool off the entire room, area, or unit. So yeah, folks, we're absolutely in love with that full 4D multi-directional airflow that helps distribute air more evenly and keep the room balanced and comfortable. The turbo mode helps cooling, and of course that quiet operation. When it's in that sleep mode, we're talking about 28 decibels. That's going to be significantly quieter than even my room on its own. This is a 12,000 BTU mini split that works in spaces up to 70 or 750 square feet. Maintaining constant room temperature. It's perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, even garages. The fast temperature response cools it off quickly, and it's designed to operate in temperatures from 5 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. This is perfect in terms of the smart control, the easy maintenance, and it has Alexa-enabled voice control, which means that you can go ahead and turn it on with just your voice. That's really cool. It's auto cleanable, has a washable filter, and I love the fact that it was just so easy to install. Now, of course, professional installation may be your preference, and it is going to be for most people, but again, it comes with the pieces and parts you need to install easily and efficiently. And folks, this is my favorite part. We can have our Echo device turn off our Growthwing. Alexa, turn off my air conditioning, and it's just that easy.
Turning off your air conditioning.
With the mobile app, you can remotely control the temperature, set timers, and switch modes anytime. It's very convenient. All right, folks, and just to show you, the outside unit is not obtrusive, it's not a big obstruction, it's not ugly, and again, it's by a premier brand. That's what I want to talk to you about right now. Growthwing has built themselves a great reputation. They're stylish, they're sophisticated, they're chic, but they have high quality products and they back their products, great customer service, and we've been very happy to partner with them on this video. So if you're looking for an easy to install, straightforward device that is going to help cool off your house, even here in the hot Florida sun, well, guess what? This is absolutely the one. My name is Adam. We're bringing you the best products and product reviews in all the land. We're very happy that at this point, we don't have to give you any clickbait, just real demonstrations of real products in real world conditions. And this one's an absolute winner. Thank you so much for joining us. You know we love and appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Go get one today. You won't be disappointed. You know I love and appreciate you. We're out of here. Goodbye, my friends.